Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball pull breakdown. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball pull breakdown, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this window you will enter to 8-ball pull. After that, here in this window you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. So here we click force stop, then we click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.